Sir, one of my friend told me about PyNet Labs because he was placed. He was working with PyNet Labs a month ago. Uh, PyNet Labs called him for a Spectra interview. So Anshu Sir was there, and he
Yeah.
called us and told everything that you are going to have our meeting, and he scheduled our meeting also with Spectra. And there was a interview at around in the evening 5 p.m. I'm fine.
That's great. So, Vineet, first of all, many congratulations. Yeah, you have just completed your graduation and now you got placed at Spectra. So, many congratulations from all PyNet team. Yeah. So, Vineet, it would be really great, like if you can tell us how you came to know about PyNet Labs and how was your overall experience with us.
Sir, one of my friend told me about PyNet Labs because he was placed. He was working with PyNet Labs a month ago. Uh, PyNet Labs called him for a Spectra interview. So he may rejected at that time, but he told us about PyNet Labs. So Anshu sir was there, and he
Yeah.
called us and told everything that you are going to have our meeting, and he scheduled our meeting also with Spectra. And there was a interview at around in the evening 5 p.m.
Okay.
and it was a great interview. I mean, Abhishek Arora sir of Spectra told taken our interview,
Uh-huh.
and uh, basic networking questions were put up like OSI model, VLAN, and these things only.
Okay. And as a fresher, how much package they are giving you?
My package is 4 LPA.
Overall. That's great. That's great. So, Vineet, is there anything you wanted to say about other network engineers who are facing some difficulty while getting a job? Because you are a fresher and now, like after completing your graduation, only you have a job. So, which all things basically you have done, which helps you in getting a job in Spectra?
But actually, in our college, there was two workshops. One was one IoT. It
Okay.
was a 5-day workshop on IoT, and
Okay.
in that we were taught basic questions of networking. And
Uh-huh.
after that, there was also a small training or workshop, we can say, on CCNA.
Okay.
These things have helped us in getting the job here. And
Okay.
there is only a basic networking questions. So,
Question. Okay.
it was, yes, sir. Regarding the protocols, models, everything.
Okay. That's great, Vineet. And it's really a great start which you are doing. So thanks a lot for your time. And yes, all the very best for your new journey. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Most welcome. Thanks for your time, Vineet. Yeah. Bye bye.